Posted a question on one of my videos as to how the new coating that I'd applied was lasting. So this is an original VW part that was replaced about a year ago. So this is how it looks from, like I say, the original VW brand new part that's been fitted. So that's in pretty good condition. Let's just have a look at the other one. And then this is the one that I've sprayed with the coating. And you can see the inside has not been treated, but the outside has, and it's still looking pretty good. There was a mark here that was actually where I'd had a piece of wire holding it, so I'd really need to have another go at doing that. But it's actually come up pretty well. And after 3 months, that's how well it's looking. So, yeah, lasting well.